Hey guys, and Samsung just made the world's first Infinity O smartphone official, and that's the brand new Galaxy A8s. So yeah, the launch event was in China, and Samsung, along with showcasing the A8s, also announced a few more important things. First off, Samsung revealed that China is an important market for them, and a few months back they made the A6s official, the A9s official, and now is the perfect time for the game changer, the Galaxy A8s. That's the world's first ever smartphone with display hole, and this smartphone is going to represent the future. Samsung said that more brands are going to use this same design, same gorgeous design in near future, so that's amazing. Next, Samsung announced a few more interesting things about the A8s and its features. First off, this device is having 3 layers on top of the rear glass panel, and that's the 2.5D glass, LTPS display with camera hole, and at last the blue panel. In the software department, Samsung said that you can quickly access the camera from the lock screen itself. Yeah, nothing new here, but that triple camera sensor of the Galaxy A8s is capable of taking some amazing images. There are different modes available: portrait shot, 2x zoom without loss of quality. So along with making a smartphone with gorgeous display, Samsung also wants to provide the best camera in that department. And the A8s is one of the slimmest smartphone with 7.4 mm thickness, and that's amazing. There's going to be total of 3 color variants. First one is grey, black and blue, and even the camera rim of that smartphone is going to represent that color variant. Along with that, Samsung also announced a limited edition spatial blue pink gradient color option specially for girls, and I think it looks gorgeous. They also talked a little about the user interface. Currently it's having Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, but it will be getting Android Pie based on Samsung One user interface early next year. So yeah, this is all guys. Other specifications are Snapdragon 670 processor, 6/8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. Yeah, there is no headphone jack. That's a bit of disappointment. But yeah, every company is going to remove the headphone jack later or sooner. There is no information about the pricing and sale. I will definitely let you know in the below comment section or description box. Thanks for watching this video, and more brands are planning to announce these types of smartphone Infinity O display later this month. So if you want to know more about them, do subscribe.